Welcome to StickShiftStudios. Today I'm going to be replacing my cabin air filter on my 2004 Honda S2000. I purchased a Denso cabin air filter. First step is you have to remove the rubber piece that runs along the cowl here, and I recommend using a 5mm socket to pop up the retainer clips, because you don't want to pull this out directly because you could rip the clip out of the rubber. And to do this, just stick it under and then it pops right up. It's pretty easy. And then right here it says up on the cowl, so you pull up. Right down here is where the filter is housed, and there's a clip in the front and a clip in the rear. First, put a piece of wood on the cowl on the other side to kind of hold it up. Well, mine didn't even look like it was clipped in on the front, to be honest. So that's interesting. So here you see that this air filter is completely filthy and just disgusting. So as you can tell, the new one and the old one is quite the difference. And the filter is housed in this plastic, and to remove it, you squeeze the clips and it slides out. So just clean the housing with a little soapy water. Easy enough. This is a tab that goes back in to the tab in the rear. So that's easy. Tab up on the top above the shroud that the back of the filter goes into. It's, if you can see it, it's pretty well defined back there if you look back in there. My camera died for the installation of the new filter. To install the filter, make sure that the plastic shroud is up and slide the filter into place, and then dip the part that's towards you down to get the clip into the back, and then it snaps and clips in. Thank you for watching StickShiftStudios. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to watch more of my automotive videos. Have a great day.